So Anthony Trollope, he was a writer who published 47 novels, 18 works of nonfiction, 12 short stories, 2 plays, and a series of articles and letters. He wrote in 15-minute intervals for 3 hours every single day. He would write 250 words every 15 minutes, and after he was done that, he would take a little break. As sad as this may sound, we are all results-driven creatures, and personally, I love just checking off that little box off of my task list. Let's say I'm writing an essay, and it takes days or weeks, and on my task list, I just have write an essay. For a really long time, I'm not gonna be able to get that satisfaction of completing a task. At the end of the day, honestly, I'm not gonna feel that accomplished because I didn't check off anything on my to-do list. In that case, I would just break it up into smaller tasks. You know, I would say, okay, you're gonna write 200 words, and I would give myself a time limit and then just pump out those 200 words, whether it's good or bad, just do it. And then later on, you can give yourself a task to review that work and edit it. When you complete smaller tasks, it builds momentum and it adds fuel for the long run. Also, when you complete a meaningful task quickly, it energizes you and it motivates you to do more tasks quickly. And so I would challenge you to try to schedule your most important tasks right in the morning. And obviously break it up into little chunks that's manageable so that you can do it within the time that you have in the morning. But I think it'll really help you build confidence and energize you for the rest of the day, because it definitely works for me.